Tonight we are canning carrots on the high pressure cooker. I'm going to scrub the carrots first. Right down here I have a hose and I've got my pot ready to go, and I've even got a little scrub cloth for fruits and vegetables. I'm not going to peel the carrots, I'm just going to scrub them good, and then I'm going to chop them up. That scrubby cloth scrubs that carrot, almost peels it, like pretty awesome. Probably gonna ask me where I got that. That's a Norwex fruit and veggie cloth. Okay. So, before anyone even asks, I'll just tell you. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut the carrots and then I'm gonna put them into jars. All the carrots in the jars, and I've got my little dipper here, and I filled one of these jars up with water. It's hot water, so I already boiled the water, and then just to get any air bubbles out, you can take a knife, go around the sides, or use a stick like this one, and it has a magnet on the other end. But then we're gonna take our lids here. I'm gonna go get a little paper towel. I'm gonna get a little paper towel and some vinegar and wipe around here, and then I'll put the lid on. We're back, and I have a little bit of vinegar here. Dipped my thing in there. I just want to make sure nothing's on the rim there. And you could add salt if you wanted to this. Okay, and then just stick our lid on there like that. And then I need to get some rings. Okay, but that's how I'm filling them. And this, I still have more carrots. I had about 7 pounds of carrots. I cut up about 6 pounds of carrots, and it got me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jars. So there you go. So about 1 pound will do 1 quart jar. That's good to know. I've been soaking in some hot boiling water, or they're pretty soft. And I'm just going to stick one on each. Okay, we're gonna put the lid on this. I'm gonna wait for the steam to come up. I'm gonna time it 10 minutes. I'm gonna put the pressure regulator back on. I'll wait for that to jiggle. I'll set a timer for 30 minutes for quart-sized jars for carrots. 30 minutes. And then we'll turn it off. Okay, look at it. The steam is starting to come up now, so we'll set a timer for 10 minutes. You can hear it. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to put the pressure regulator on now. Okay, remember, when that jiggles, then we time it for 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes on this timer, and I'm going to watch the pressure gauge. I don't want it going past what it's at right now. I'm going to just turn this down a little bit. 30 minutes and then it's done. So here we go. This is the product. We got some cooked carrots here. This was about 6 pounds. We got 6 quarts out of it. Every single one of them sealed up and stayed sealed. So I'm really, really happy about that. So yeah, these will be shelf stable for, gosh, 5 to 10 years. We'll see, maybe more. I need to do some research on that, but this is how you preserve carrots in a pressure cooker. Hope you guys give it a try. Let me know if you do, and happy canning.